how to charge the battery in the Olympus Stylus 1010. So it's interesting because this camera does not charge the battery in camera, so you might think that because it's got a USB port here that it will charge the battery, but it does not. So right off the bat, cannot charge the battery in camera. Now, where is the battery? So the battery is down here. And by the way, I'll have a bonus tip at the very end. So let's get to the battery. Battery is in here. And in order to get to the battery, you need to push this down here. See, I'll demonstrate it one more time. Okay, and it'll just spring open like that. And there's your battery right there. Okay, so you're gonna need the charger that came with the battery. If you don't have one, then you can get one off of Amazon or eBay fairly easily. They're cheap. But yeah, here it is. This is the original charger, and the way you're gonna match up the battery. You see the plus and minus sign right there, positive and negative, and then we're just gonna simply slide this in. Okay, and it should fit just fine. And then on the back of the charger, we have your connection for power. All right, so let's connect it. Okay, so once you have it connected to the power, this will light up. And I believe that if it has a full charge, then you're ready to go. So I believe this has a full charge, so it's not going to light up. But if it wasn't, the battery was completely drained, then this will light up, and you will wait for it to stop. And then when it's like this, that means the battery is full. And this is the battery it takes right here. All right, now for the bonus tip. Many people ask, where is the SD card in camera? So, all right, here we go. SD card is here, but it's actually not an SD card. This is a Fuji XD picture card. All right, so that's another reason why some people might be intimidated by getting this camera, is because it doesn't take the usual SD cards, and you need a card reader that reads XD card. Those are readily available, and I'll have all this, including the camera, if you're interested, in the links below. But there it is. Hopefully that was useful to you, and be sure to give a thumbs up if this helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help out and keep me making more videos just like this. I'll see you on the next one.